Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you home screen customization. In the beginning, on your smartphone, let's go to settings of the smartphone and home screen and style. Right here you can change home screen style, home screen theme, fonts, icons, you can manage layout of the home screen, change home screen style between standard and the drawer, and in the end you can set lock screen signature. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.